A very beautiful good morning to all my dear students. So today we will do the reasoning part of GK, and this should be done in your notebook. This worksheet is divided into 4 parts, and first we will start with the brain teaser. First question is, what word looks the same upside down and backward? That means ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड है जिसको आप उल्टा करके पढ़ोगे या फिर पीछे से पढ़ोगे तब भी वो सेम रहेगा. So the answer is swims. If you are watching the video from the phone, then turn your phone in upside down direction and try to read the word. It will look same. Second question is, what starts with a P, the letter P, ends with an E, that means the letter E, and has thousands of letters? The answer is post office. The word post office starts with the letter P and ends with the letter E, and it contains a lot of letters. Question number 3 is, what has hands but cannot clap? The answer is a clock. Clock is having hands but it cannot clap. Question number 4 is, I have keys but no doors. I have space but no rooms. I allow you to enter but you are never able to leave. What am I? The answer is a keyboard. Keyboard is having a lot of keys but no doors. It is also having a space key but no rooms. It is also having a enter key but it never allows to leave. So the answer is keyboard. Question number 5 is, what is as big as you are and yet does not weigh anything? The answer is shadow. Shadow is as big as you are because it's your shadow and it does not have any weight. B part is complete the series. Question number 6 is, you have given a series. आपको एक सीरीज दी गई है और आपको इसमें नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. Let's read the series now. 3, 9, 27, 81 and you have to find the next number. So आप कैसे नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करोगे, उससे पहले आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि इस सीरीज में क्या पैटर्न यूज किया गया है. सो लेट्स सी. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा दैट दिस इज द टेबल ऑफ 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Again 27 into 3 is 81. That means आपको क्या करना है, 81 multiply 3. Let's see, 81 multiply 3, you will get 3 ones are 3 and 8 into 3 is 24. So your answer is 243. Now proceed to the next question. Question number 7. Again the series is given 20, 15, 20, 17, 20 dash. अब आपको देखना है कि इसमें क्या पैटर्न यूज किया है, then only you can find the next number. अगर आपने ध्यान से सुना है तो आपको पैटर्न समझ में आ गया होगा. 20, 15, 20, 17, 20 and then next number. So let's see. 20 को आप देख रहे हो कि ऑल्टरनेट नंबर है. ओके. नाउ आपको देखना है 15 और 17 के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है. 15 के बाद 16 नहीं है, कंटिन्यूसली क्या है, 17 है. दैट मीन्स 16 इज स्किप्ड. सिमिलरली you will skip a number, that is 18 and 19 will be the answer. आपने इसमें क्या किया, 20 तो आप देख रहे हो कि हर एक नंबर के बाद है. ओके. तो आपके पास 15 और 17 बचा, तो आपको देखना है इन दोनों के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है. इन दोनों के बीच में एक नंबर स्किप किया है, दैट इज 16. ऐसे ही आप क्या करोगे 17 और नेक्स्ट नंबर के बीच में एक नंबर स्किप करोगे। तो 17 के बाद एक नंबर स्किप किया 18 एंड आपको आंसर मिल गया 19. सो द आंसर इज 19. Question number 8 is, again you are given a series. The series is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and you have to find the last number. So let's see इसमें क्या पैटर्न यूज किया है। अगर आप 1 में 2 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे what you will get? Obviously 2. Okay, so 1 multiplied 2 you will get 2. Similarly, if you will multiply 2 into 2 you will get 4. 4 multiplied 2 you will get 8. That means आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप हर नंबर में 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो। ओके, सो 8 multiplied 2 is 16. Similar way, 16 multiplied 2 you will get 32. 32 multiplied 2 you will get 64. That means now what you have to do? 64 multiply 2. Let's see. 64 multiply 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 6 into 2 is 12. So find which option is 128. There is this one. So the answer is C part 128. Question number 9 is, okay, question number 9 is, again the series is 22, 33, 44, 55 and next two numbers you have to find. This is a very easy question. 22 plus 11, what you will get? 22 plus 11, you will get 33. 33 plus 11, what you will get? 44. 44 plus 11, what you will get? 55. That means now what you have to do? 55 plus 11, what you will get? 66 and 66 plus 11, what you will get? 77. That means the answer is B part, 66 and 77. Now our last question of complete the series. Okay, again the series is given, but this time it is given in pairs. So first pair is 10 and 5. Second is 8 and 4. Next is 6 and 3. Now you have to find the last pair. Let's see what is the relation between the pairs. So if you will multiply 2 in this number, 5 multiply 2, what you will get? 10. Okay. 5 multiply 2, you will get 10. Again, 4 multiply 2, what you will get? 8. 3 multiply 2, what you will get? 6. Now you have to find which one will be the correct option. 2 and 4. Would it be the correct option? No, because 4 multiply 2 is 8 and here is 2. So this is the wrong answer. Now 5 multiply 2 is 10, but here is 2. This is also not the answer. Now let's see last part. 2 multiply 2 will be 4. So C is the correct answer.
C part is complete the analogous pair. Question number 11 is, now later you have given a relation between now and later. So these both are the opposites of each other. Now the opposite of easy is difficult. So the answer is difficult. Question number 12 is, bakery is related to bread, That means you will get a bread from a bakery. But what you will get from a cafe? You will get a coffee. Question number 13 is finger is related to hand. That means finger is part of your hand and leaf is a part of a tree. So the answer is tree.
So D part is mirror image. Okay, now this is the new concept. This is mirror image questions. Okay, question number 14 is choose the correct mirror image for the letter L. Let me first tell you how you will look at the mirror image. आप इसमें क्या करते हो, आप एक लेटर लिखोगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ लेटर ए. नाउ आपने यहाँ पर एक मिरर प्लेस किया. दिस इज अ मिरर. आपने क्या किया, यहाँ पर एक मिरर प्लेस किया. अब आपको देखना है कि ए इस मिरर में कैसा दिखेगा. तो आपको इस मिरर में पहले इधर वाला पार्ट दिखेगा. ओके, आपने ये बनाया, दिस स्टिक, this one, then this part. This. So this will be the mirror image for A. Similarly, mirror image for B. If this is B और ये एक mirror है, okay. If this is B and this is a mirror, तो आप देखोगे कि B का mirror image कैसा होगा. आपको पहले ये वाला part दिखेगा, okay. आपको पहले ये वाला पार्ट दिखेगा, समथिंग लाइक 3. देन यू विल गेट टू सी दिस स्टिक, देन यू विल मेक दिस स्टिक. ओके, देन दिस विल बी द मिरर इमेज फॉर बी. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मिरर इमेज फॉर द लेटर एल. लेट्स सी, दिस इज एल, दिस इज द मिरर. नाउ this L will look like first this stick, okay, then this part like this. So match 1, 2, 3. From these match the option. This is similar to A part. So this will be the correct answer. These both are the examples, okay. Now our next question is choose the correct mirror image for the word RIO, Rio. Okay, let's see. Let us first see कि आपको रियो मिरर में कैसा दिखेगा. R I O. Okay, now this is the mirror. This is the mirror. That means first of all you will get to see what? O. So you will make a O. Then you will get to see I. I'll make a I. Then you will get to see R. R में भी आपको first ये part दिखेगा. Then this part. So let's now match the answer. That means O, I, R and that too in this form. So this will be the answer. Hope you have understood question number 14 and 15.